Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. This is dress shirts. Very nice material. It's for the drying quick material. Here's some instructions on how to take care of it. Functionality. Muscle, mobility, moisture transfer, temperature control, bacterial barrier. That's what it looks like. The top. Size. Pocket here. Some buttons here. Alright, so that's it. Let's look at the back. Anything on the back? Looks good. So if you're interested in this dress shirt, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.